Jeez, did we touch down? Holy crap. Oh my, that was... You're never going to have a landing at night like that again, ever. That is bloody spectacular down there, fall colors.
Sorry, Foxtrot Echo Yankee Zulu, proceed direct to destination, thank you.
Direct destination, Echo Yankee Zulu.
2 Alpha Bravo, back on course, will you direct your destination?
Back on course, direct to that, now initial approach fix for RNAV 31 at our destination.
By the time we land and fuel up and all that stuff, I'm sure
Sorry, Foxtrot Echo Yankee Zulu, contact Washington Center 133.2, have a good day.
133.2, thanks for your help. Echo Yankee Zulu.
You're welcome.
Good afternoon, Washington Center, Charlie Foxtrot Echo Yankee Zulu, level 8,000.
Charlie Foxtrot Echo Yankee Zulu, Washington Center, Luray, altimeter 3007.
3007, Foxtrot Echo Yankee Zulu.
Charlie Foxtrot Echo Yankee Zulu, I have multiple targets, about your 12 o'clock and 3 miles. Altitudes vary, they mostly look like glider activity.
We'll watch for that traffic, Echo Yankee Zulu.
Charlie Foxtrot Echo Yankee Zulu, the first one's at your 12 o'clock, altitude indicates 5,000. The second one's about your 1 o'clock, altitude indicates 4,000. And then there's one right behind it, altitude indicates 4,500. And there's one behind that, altitude indicates 5,400. I'm not talking to any of them, there's only so much.
Sounds like good altitude separation, and we do have ADS-BN so we can see the traffic. Thank you, Echo Yankee Zulu.
Okay, if you'd like vectors, let me know. I can take you out to the west a bit.
I think we're going to be okay, unless there's somebody flying up here in the clouds who's not talking about it.
Charlie Foxtrot Echo Yankee Zulu, I am showing you north of the majority of that traffic now.
Thank you for that, Echo Yankee Zulu.
We're 47 minutes and 50 seconds away from getting home.
Starting to see ground lights now.
Yeah.
The lovely town of Salamanca. Which means we've crossed the New York border.
Yeah, we are now officially over the state of New York after having left Venice, Florida this morning.
Not bad. Couldn't do this in a car. Oshawa's clear.
Charlie Foxtrot Echo Yankee Zulu, contact Buffalo approach 126.15.
126.15, Charlie Foxtrot Echo Yankee Zulu. Buffalo approach, Charlie Foxtrot Echo Yankee Zulu, level 8,000.
Charlie Foxtrot Echo Yankee Zulu, Buffalo approach, Buffalo altimeter 3020.
3020, Echo Yankee Zulu. The 2210 you said?
Yeah.
So at 2240 is officially night?
Night, yeah.
So then I can log nighttime?
You can put it down as a night landing, yeah.
But I can log 30 minutes of night flying?
Yeah, you can.
Oshawa Information Papa, weather at 2200 Zulu, wind 340, at 7, visibility 9 miles, sky clear, temperature 9, dew point 2, altimeter 3020, approach our nav runway 30, landing and departing runway 30, inform ATC that you have...
Approach is 3,100, we'll go not below 2,100. Into EVGO. NAPAP is our final approach waypoint. Grab the glide slope.
Blue 2466 Buffalo approach, altimeter 3020, expect the ILS runway 5.
LPV minimums are 696. Missed approach 3,100.
Blue 2466, clear direct stop, so for the approach, descend and maintain 4,000.
That plate was updated on 26 November 21, and it is the RNAV 30.
I'm so glad that I'll have you with me. With you I feel like I'm dreaming, but I'm awake, I'm not here sleeping. By my side you give good company. Left and right, I'll keep you safe. When I'm with you, I
Charlie Foxtrot Echo Yankee Zulu, contact Toronto Center 133.3.
133.3, Charlie Foxtrot Echo Yankee Zulu. Have a good night.
That's unusual.
036 from
Let them know about the
right.
approach as soon as you call them. And that we have
In Toronto Center, Charlie Foxtrot Echo Yankee Zulu, level 8000, going to Oshawa, anticipating the RNAV 30 via Kepco.
Charlie Foxtrot Echo Yankee Zulu, Toronto Center, descend 7,000.
Descend 7,000, Foxtrot Echo Yankee Zulu.
Echo Yankee Zulu, contact Toronto Center 1334.
1334, Echo Yankee Zulu.
I'll do it here.
And Toronto Center, Charlie Foxtrot Echo Yankee Zulu, 7,600, descending 7,000.
Charlie Foxtrot Echo Yankee Zulu, Toronto, roger. Hello, altimeter 30218. This is Papa and advertising visual 30.
We have Papa, and we'd like to do the RNAV for 30 via Kepco.
Echo Yankee Zulu, roger. Clear direct to Kepco.
Direct Kepco, thanks. Echo Yankee Zulu.
I'm activating.
Yeah.
Echo Yankee Zulu, descend 5,000.
Descend 5,000, Echo Yankee Zulu. Well, this is truly a night landing. Our lights on, we've got our pump on.
Echo Yankee Zulu, descend when ready. Clear the RNAV runway 30 approach at Oshawa.
Descend when ready, clear the RNAV Oshawa, Echo Yankee Zulu.
Vertical track.
Papa descent within 1 minute. Okay, let's just
Echo Yankee Zulu, contact Oshawa Tower 120.1.
over to tower, Echo Yankee Zulu, thanks. Good evening, Oshawa Tower, Charlie Foxtrot Echo Yankee Zulu with
No, just cleared. Just cleared to the
Foxtrot Echo
approach.
Yankee Zulu, Oshawa Tower, wind 3506, altimeter 3021, report map up.
report map up, Echo Yankee Zulu.
Yeah, you don't have to tell them.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha, exit right on Charlie, contact ground 11841.
Just tell them you're clear to the approach.
Whiskey Lima Vector traffic on the runway is going to be exiting right on Charlie, clear to land runway 30. Clear to land, Whiskey Lima Victor. Echo Yankee Zulu, clear to land runway 30.
Clear to land 30, Echo Yankee Zulu.
He didn't let you report map happen.
I know, guess he didn't care.
He cheated you out of an opportunity.
$800 feet to minimums.
Minimums.
Wow, this is weird.
Jeez, did we touch down? Holy crap. Oh my, that was... You're never going to have a landing at night like that
Echo
again,
Yankee
ever.
Zulu, exit right on Charlie, contact ground 11841 off.
Echo Yankee Zulu, thanks.
Oh, dear God, that was amazing.